All right, in this example, we're given the following chart for a theater society that's voting on whether they want to perform a musical, a comedy, or a drama. And those are abbreviated with just M, C, and D throughout this chart. And they're listing their first, second, and third choices and the number of people who set up their preferences in this particular arrangement. Now, given this, we are asked to decide which play wins using the Borda Count method. Now, what the Borda Count method is that you assign a certain point value to each place, and you basically just tally up who has the most points. So what we'll do is we'll say that third place only gets 1 point, second place gets 2 points, and first place gets 3 points. Woo! So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through, I'll go through first place first. So, for first place, we have M, comedy and drama. Now for first place, there's 10 in this column of 3 points, plus any other musicals? Yes, 2 with 3 points right there. Now let's do the comedies. We've got 6 people giving a comedy 3 points here, and then 4 people giving a comedy 3 points right there. Okay, and then all that's left is drama people. We've got 6 people giving it 3 points, plus 2 people giving it 3 points. Okay, so that's for the first place choices. Now let's go through and do the second place choices. So for musical, we've got 6 people giving it 2 points, and 2 more people giving it 2 points. Okay, now let's move on to comedy. We've got 10 people giving it 2 points, and we've got 6 people giving it 2 points, and it looks like that's it for comedy there. So all that's left is drama. We have 4 people giving it 2 points, and then 2 more people giving it 2 points. Okay, now let's go down to the last option right here. So for musical, we've got 6 people giving it just 1 point, and then 4 more people giving it just 1 point. Then for comedy, we've got 2 people giving it a point, and 2 more people giving it 1 point. And finally, for drama, we've got 10 people giving it 1 point, and 6 people giving it 1 point. So I wrote it like this so we can just see what's going on. There's just this many people giving musicals 3 points here, 3 points for comedies, 3 points for dramas, and the next row is the 2-pointers, and the last row is the 1-pointers. So now I just need to sum these all up. So for musical, I'll go ahead and use the calculator just to simplify things. I'm doing 10 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 6 times 2 plus 2 times 2 plus really 6 and then plus 4, right? Times 1, it doesn't change. So I enter that, and for the musical, we're getting 62 points in total. Now for the comedy, we've got 6 times 3 plus 4 times 3 plus 10 times 2 plus 6 times 2 plus 2 plus 2. We're getting 66 points. Okay, and for drama, 6 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 4 times 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 10 plus 6 for 52 points. So now, once we've done that, we just see who has the most points, and we see right here, the comedy has the most points, 66 of them. So this method's kind of nice because this way, we're not just looking at the first option, but we're looking at all the preferences and tallying up who overall wins. And so notice if we just look at the first place, the musical has more. It's got 10 and 2 for 12, which is more than anyone else. But these people have a second choice for musical, and these people down here do put the musical there as a third choice. So we have to account for that as well. So, using Borda Count, the comedy wins with 66 points. And that is this example.